Hello guys, and my name is Sam, but I don't know what's my username for now, but well, let's just hop into the game, shall we? Okay. Before we start right now, please subscribe and like the video. I don't care if you dislike, but at least you liked it. Okay? Yeah. But for now, let's just play the game. The game is this is Subway Surfers. You already know that, and I didn't hack the game. I downloaded the game from the game app, and it's called Tutu Apps. Download that thing. You can download it in like Tutu Apps Wizard. Yeah, type that, and then you're gonna get it. That's so good that look, I'm already on gold, and I can't even get my high score. Why? Because that is impossible. Very impossible. Use one. What? It would be pointless to just show a video of me just playing Subway Surfers and talk. Let's just get this over with right now. Give me more there. Yeah, no. You thought. Are we going on supersonic speed right now? Why did I have to say Sonic? Wow. Shut up, magnet. Once you download Tutu Apps, why am I mentioning it now? This is not my first time of making a video. I used to make videos in my other account, Samboy and Samgirl, but I didn't. Well, it deleted, and I got a new account, so I don't care about the other account because I sucked. Is this thing even recording? Yeah, it is. Look how many coins I got. I died because I didn't. Oh, it stopped. Good. Let's do this, boy. I want to end this video so bad.